Today you're going to learn how to draw the key rack project. In the Enroute program, the first thing you want to do is go to File, New. This will draw a red icon box in the actual drawing program that represents your board. You need to set the width and height to the exact measurement your board is. In this case, the width is 12 inches and the height 8. Click OK. Next, we want to import images. You can select from those existing on the computer or choose one from Google Images. When looking for a Google image, type in what it is you're looking for with the keyword silhouette. We cannot use high quality resolution pictures. We must use silhouette pictures for best quality. When you find a silhouette picture you like, make sure the pixel count is that of a high amount. In our example, it's roughly 500 by 600, which is much better than a 100 by 100. Save picture as, and make sure you're under My Pictures, and simply call it what it is. In this case, Rooster 2, because we already have a different rooster already saved. Next, you'll get back into the Enroute program, select the blue folder to import, choose your picture, select it, hit open. Click it to highlight and choose the vectorized bitmap icon on the left. This will transform that silhouette into an actual drawing the computer will recognize. You can delete the original. Click on the new image and drag it up into your red box. You can scale it by holding the Shift key down and proportionally making it larger or smaller. If you do not hold the Shift key, you can distort its shape. To apply font, click on the text icon and choose a good solid font that is thick. You can select it to be bold or italic, and you can choose it to be left, centered, or right. That's not a big deal because you can move it later. Then click on the screen and simply type what you want it to say. When done, hit close. I can select the image, drag it, and move it. And if I wanted to make sure it was precisely centered, then you should hit the F2 button on your computer. F2 brings up a precision input center window. This window will allow you to do things such as precisely scale it, precisely rotate it, or in our case, precisely move it. You need to click the center grid of this little box, and the welcome sign is highlighted. That center box should say 6. Since our board is 12 inches long, half of that is 6. Click on the X, change that number to 6, hit OK. Select the other image, change that number to 6, hit OK. Now our project is perfectly centered. The next step we want to do is to actually draw a window around everything we want to be engraved. Find the engrave icon at left, select it. Click yes. Now we need to choose the tool we want to use for our project. In this case, we're using the 60-degree conic bit. Double click it, and then that bit will be chosen up top. We are engraving and we need to select the appropriate depth. It is very important you set the exact depth. In this case, it is 0.13. Click OK. The very last step we need to do is save it. select File, Save As, choose My Documents, ONC Work, and then choose the appropriate period class you are in. To save it, simply type in what it is called. In this case, it's the rooster, and your name afterwards. Once you've completed this, your drawing is done, and the next step will be simply uploading it to the computer.